guys, it's me, Tootsie. Yeah, this is a rare time for me to be at the window. They don't come out here very much. Not anymore. Yeah. Just been staying in the room with Mom. Yeah. Do my training. Yeah. I don't know. I guess I have to go to the doctor's. But I don't want to. Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, I am out here right now. Yeah, and Mom was telling me some stories about all the visitors that I've been getting. Because I'm not out here, I don't see them. Yeah, and we were doing a little playing before, and she was telling me about it. Yeah. There's 3 different kitties. Yeah. Yep, here's one. Yeah. It's the black kitty. Yeah. He's a little silly. And then this is the neighbor cat. Socks. Yep. He's looking for me all right. And here's his sister. She's a tortie. Yep. I don't know. This was it in one day. There's more. See, this day was a sunny day. It's the black kitty. Gonna sit there a bit and wait for me. Still peeking in. Yeah. I don't know. He just jumped on my banister. Then he jumped down. Yeah. This is pretty crazy. I guess it's a good thing that I'm not here. You know, during the day when they're here. 'Cause I would probably get upset. Yeah. I don't know. I'll see you later.